Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about how to use a, an and the. Now the word a, an and the are called articles. We use them before naming words. So we call a, an and the is also called as articles. Okay, and we use a, an and the before naming words. I tell you how to use. Now where we can use a? We use a with singular word beginning with consonant sound. Now what do you mean by consonants? Consonants means the letters from the alphabet B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z are called consonants. So the naming word which start from consonant letters, before that naming word we can use a. Now we will see some examples. For example, a glass. Now you can see the first letter of naming word is G. So it is a consonant, that's why we use before naming word a. So what we call a glass. A hut. Now H is also a consonant, that's why we use a before hut. A rose. R is also consonant, so a rose, that's why we use a. A deer. So kids, are you understood how to use a? Now we'll see how to use n. Now n we can use before the naming word which start or which is beginning with the vowels. Okay. Now what is vowels? Vowels is a, e, I, o, u. These letters from the alphabets are called vowels. Okay. So the first letter or the beginning letter start from the vowels. Then before that naming word we can use n. An eagle. Okay, this is example, an eagle. Now you can see the first letter is E and E is a vowel. So that's why we use n before a naming word. Now an ice cream. Now you see the first letter is I and it is also a vowel. That's why we use n. An owl. O is a vowel. So before the naming word we use n. An umbrella. U is also a vowel. So before that we use n. Now we can see where we can use the. We use the with a specific naming word. We also use the to refer to someone or something that the speaker and the listener already know about. Okay, so where we can use the we can use before the specific naming word. Okay, what do you mean by specific naming word? Means like the girl, the dog, the mountain, the sun, the moon. Okay, so these are the specific naming words. So before that we can use the. Now we'll see some examples. We are going to the market. Now market is a place. Okay, that's why before the market we use the. Okay, so market is a specific naming word. Now give some biscuits to the dog. To whom we have to give the biscuit? Dog. So dog is also a specific naming word, that's why we use before dog the. The girl in the brown skirt in my sister is my sister. Okay, now the girl. So girl is also a specific naming word, that's why we use before the. Okay, now the brown skirt, what she has wore? The brown skirt. So we have to specify the brown skirt. Understood? Now we also use the with the following. We'll see some more examples, like an animal that stands for its whole class. Okay, the cheetah is a wild animal. Rivers, sea and oceans. So we can use for rivers, sea and oceans. For animals we use the. The Ganga flows in India. The Ganga. Ganga is the name of river. Now natural objects that are one of a kind means the natural things, or you can say the natural objects which is one in kind, like moon, sun, sky. These all are natural things, okay, and these all are one. So that's why we use before these objects, natural objects, the. So the moon, the sun, the sky, okay. So the moon is shining in the sky. Now we'll use the before man-made objects that are one of a kind. Okay. Now the Red Fort is in New Delhi. So Red Fort is made by man-made thing. Okay. So that's why, and it is a monument, and Red Fort is one only. That's why we use before that the. Holy books. Okay. So you use before any holy books or before any story book, you can use the. Have you read the Bible? So Bible is a name of holy book. Okay. So that's why we use before that the. I hope you will understand. Thank you.